Hello friends, my name is Arun Bhagat and my organization name is AppSub Solutions. We are the authorized 5-star channel partner of Mrs. Tally Solutions Private Limited Bangalore and into business for the last 15 years. Recently, I attended the 21 days business growth course conducted by Jayant Udas sir, which worked out to be the best training sessions I have attended so far. To begin with, Jayant sir provided us the 52 points questionnaire which we needed to answer about the way we conduct the business or way we apply the policies in our business. And to our surprise, on an average, we were just applying the 20 to 25% of those tactics and policies in our business, which was really an eye opener for us. The next one was we learned more about the 9 core elements which needed to be applied to the marketing and sales policies, which really gave us the food for thought, and we learnt more about the way to conduct business or the way to manage the business. After that, we learnt more about the digital marketing and advertising technologies. We learnt a lot about the different kinds of digital marketing aspects. We learnt many other tactics to way to manage the business in a right manner or the scientific manner. We also learnt about how to enhance or strengthen the customer relationship and finding out the lifetime value of the customers, our individual customers. It was really an eye opening training session for us, which gave us the insight of our business model to the greater length. I take this opportunity to thank Jan sir for conducting such a wonderful session for us. I recommend this business growth course to all of the business community, and I wish all the best to Jan sir for the future success. Thank you so much.